we will cover how to install Endura's deadbolt and handle set adapters with PanoLock Plus multipoint locking system. The adapters for the deadbolt and handle set drives are inserted from the composite side of the lock set and not the metal side. The composite side can face the exterior or interior depending upon door handling. The handle set and deadbolt back sets supplied with the hardware are not used with PanoLock Plus. Square drive adapters. From the composite side, insert the square drive adapter by aligning the tabs on the adapter with the tab channels in the handle set drive. Press firmly until you hear and feel the adapter snap into place. Split square drive adapter. The split square drive adapter is a two-piece design. Install the adapter portion without flange by aligning the tabs on the adapter with the tab channels in the handset drive. The non-tapped edge should be installed first. Push the first portion of the adapter fully into the lock case until properly seated. Next, install the flange portion of the adapter by aligning the tabs. Press firmly until you hear and feel the adapter snap into place. Split diamond drive adapter. Install the adapter portion without the rounded finish side edge by aligning the tabs on the adapter with the tab channels in the handle set drive. The non-tabbed edge should be installed first. Push the first portion of the adapter fully into the lock case until properly seated. Next, install the rounded portion of the adapter by aligning the tabs with the tab channels in the handle set drive. Press firmly until you hear and feel the flanged adapter snap into place. Deadbolt drive adapter. From the composite side, insert the deadbolt adapter into the deadbolt drive with the letter marking facing you. Align the rib on the adapter with the slot in the deadbolt drive opening. Press firmly until you feel it fully shift into place. C+ guide adapter. The C indicator on the intersection of the adapter should be facing you, and the open side should be on the right. Insert this into the latch by driving the aligning tabs on the adapter with the openings on the latch drive. Push the adapter through the latch drive without clicking into place. Insert the circular part of the adapter with the opening to the left. When the circular part of the adapter is in place, press until you feel and hear it click into place. Dual C+ guide adapter. Insert the adapter into the handle set drive with the side labeled Dual C facing you and the raised bump on the right side. Use the tabs of the adapter to guide the adapter into position through the corresponding slots. Push the adapter through the handle set drive without clicking into place. Next, insert the circular part of the adapter with the opening to the left. When the circular part of the adapter is in place, press the metal adapter until you feel and hear it click into place.